Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fixed It Felix. This is a really quick video showing you how to replace the back door handle on a 2007 and up Infiniti G35. So basically what you have to do is you have to remove this little sticker that's right here. Not all of it, just like maybe like half, like till there, so you can just see the bolt that's right there. And these are the only things you're going to need: a screwdriver, a T30, and a magnet. I'll show you why the magnet in a little bit. So just put this here, and we are going to remove these bolts. You can unscrew it all the way. Don't worry about the bolt falling down. It won't. There's like a little plastic that prevents the bolt from falling down. So let me see. It's a little bit hard to do it with one hand. I'm recording. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, right there. And just turn to the left. That was pretty hard. Okay. And like I said, you can turn all the way to the left. The bolt won't fall down. So right there. Just remove it. Now, sometimes you can just already pull this part out, and it comes out. But sometimes it's still there, stuck, because the screw is still holding it a little bit. So this is where the magnet comes in place. What you have to do is just pull the bolt just a little bit out with the magnet. So right there is pulling it out. So this part is able to come out. There, see, it's coming out. All right, once you remove that part, this is the easy part. You can just push all the way to that side and just pull out, and that's pretty much it. And then to put it back, you just follow the same instructions backwards. So let me show you. Okay, so what you want to do is you're gonna push it here inside and just wiggle it and push, and then you're gonna push it to that side over there. There. And now we're going to put this part back. There. And we're going to use the screwdriver with the T30. Let's see. Sorry. I think right here I got it. All right. Once you finish, you can just close this back. That's it. Simple as that. You just replace the rear door handle. If you want to replace the passenger front, it's pretty much the same, but it's a little bit more complicated because there's cables going through it because of this. This is to lock and unlock. So I haven't did this one, so I'm not sure if it's like really similar or if it's more difficult because there's cables. But the video I just showed you is how to replace the ones on the back side, like the ones on the rear. So I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a like, comment down below, subscribe. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the door handle. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. As always, peace.